Good afternoon, CycleForLifers. Hey, it's been a long time since I put out anything new, and I just want to apologize to you guys for that. I have been so super duper crazy busy with the re-engagement of the tire business this past summer. We went back to doing multiple brands, and we expanded our territory again. We're not quite as large as we were in that 2005, 6, 7, 8 range. But we're getting back. We're headed back that way. We're doing CCS, WERA, Fast Tracks. If it's a Riders Club event before a Jersey race, they're letting us in to do brands. We're covering races in Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, New Jersey, and drop shipping out to Eastern PA and Maryland and Indiana, and just it's been crazy. So I'm really sorry that I haven't been doing a lot of fresh material lately. I have some footage that I never had a chance to sit down and edit over the summer and get out to you guys. And the next few videos are going to be some entertaining things that, I thought you guys might enjoy. Some stuff with the van life, we got our old G20 Chevy that we live out of at the racetrack, and we use that to base out of for some of the smaller events. And then we have big giant car haulers that we use for the big races and pickup trucks to pull the car haulers. So I did some more videos on the old G20 van, and I got a couple of riding videos and some technical information. But I'm coming today to let you know it won't be long. I'm going to start another one of those restoration catalogs that we're famous for. Most of you guys came to my YouTube channel through the RM250 and KX250 restoration films, where we did 25, 30 episodes and broke those down and just covered the entire process of restoring old two-strokes. So whether you know me from the road race track or the vintage motocross scene or the restoration scene, however you come to CycleForLife, maybe I met you doing some triathlons for exercise, and you're following us when we covered how bicycles are so good and how much bicycle riding we do for exercise. I love you guys, no matter what you're here for, no matter what your involvement with the channel is. I'm thankful to have you, and wear your helmets and ride your two-wheelers, because they can be dangerous if you're not careful, but they can also save lives. And I've seen evidence of that as well, including my own. So let's get out there on those two wheels. Let's get our helmets on, and stay tuned for some more interesting data coming your way about the two-wheeled lifestyle and what it's like to be a professional in the motorcycle industry, and what it's like to live life on two wheels. All right, guys, I love you. I can't stress enough. Put those helmets on, and we'll see you soon.